Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to make sushi without seaweed. We'll explore exciting ways to create your favorite rolls using innovative techniques. Forget the traditional nori and get ready to discover a world of flavor and texture. This guide will help you craft beautiful and tasty sushi, perfect for those who prefer a different approach or have dietary restrictions. Let's dive into the art of seaweed-free sushi making. First, let's perfect our sushi rice. Rinse 2 cups of short-grain rice until the water runs clear, then cook it with 2 1/2 cups of water. Once cooked, gently mix in a seasoned vinegar solution. For wrapping, thinly slice a large cucumber or avocado lengthwise to create flexible sheets. Alternatively, rice paper, briefly softened in warm water, or blanched cabbage leaves offer excellent, edible casings for your fillings. These options provide a delightful texture and subtle flavor. Now for the exciting part, fillings. Think vibrant and fresh. Consider julienne carrots, crisp bell peppers, or crunchy sprouts. For protein, cooked shrimp, imitation crab sticks, or thinly sliced smoked salmon work wonderfully. Lay your chosen wrap flat, spread a thin, even layer of sushi rice, leaving about 1 inch clear at the top. Arrange your fillings neatly in the center. Then, using a bamboo mat or your hands, roll it up tightly and evenly, applying gentle pressure. Finally, let's slice and serve your beautiful creations. For clean cuts, use a very sharp knife, dampened slightly with water between each slice. This prevents sticking and tearing. Carefully cut each roll into 6 to 8 equal, bite-sized pieces. Arrange your seaweed-free sushi artfully on a platter, showcasing the colorful fillings. Serve immediately with traditional accompaniments like soy sauce, a small dollop of wasabi, and a few slices of pickled ginger for a complete experience. Enjoy your homemade sushi.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.